Have you ever started your car and heard that terrifying knocking or pinging sound coming from the engine? That sound is every driver's nightmare because it often means expensive repairs are coming. According to automotive service reports, nearly 35% of vehicles over 100,000 miles develop some form of engine knock or pinging. But here is the interesting part. In Japan, where vehicles are famous for running 300,000 to 500,000 miles, mechanics rely on simple maintenance techniques that often stop engine knocking without tearing the engine apart. In this video, I am going to uncover those Japanese methods that can silence engine knocking and make your engine run smoother than ever. Some of these tricks cost less than $5 and can be done right in your driveway. First, let's understand what is engine knocking, because understanding what engine knock is can help you stop the damage before it turns into a costly repair. Engine knock, also called detonation, is one of the most dangerous sounds your engine can make. Instead of the air-fuel mixture burning smoothly inside the cylinders, it explodes unevenly, creating a sharp metallic pinging or knocking noise. This uncontrolled combustion sends violent shock waves through the engine, which can slowly damage pistons, cylinder walls, and bearings. Many drivers ignore it at first, but even a small knocking sound can lead to serious engine wear over time. In fact, studies show prolonged engine knock can reduce engine life by up to 30% if left untreated. Let's discuss the most common causes of engine knock. Number 1. Use of low-octane fuel. One of the most common causes of engine knock is using low-octane fuel in an engine that requires higher-octane gasoline. When the fuel cannot handle the pressure and heat inside the cylinder, it ignites too early, creating the knocking sound and violent pressure spikes that hit the piston before it reaches the correct position. Number 2. Carbon buildup. Another major cause is carbon buildup inside the combustion chamber. Over time, carbon deposits form on the piston crown and cylinder head, which increases compression and creates hot spots that ignite the air-fuel mixture prematurely. Number 3. Bad spark plug. Incorrect ignition timing is another frequent cause. If the spark plug fires too early before the piston reaches the proper position, the combustion pressure builds too quickly and collides with the rising piston. This creates intense pressure waves inside the cylinder, producing the knocking sound and stressing internal engine components. Number 4. Engine overheating. High engine temperatures increase the likelihood of premature fuel ignition that cause the mixture to detonate instead of burning smoothly. Now let's discuss the methods that Japanese drivers use to silence engine knocking without spending hundreds of dollars. Method 1. Use of higher octane fuel. One of the simplest Japanese tricks to stop engine knocking is temporarily switching to higher octane fuel for a few fill-ups. Engine knocking often happens when fuel ignites too early inside the combustion chamber, a problem known as detonation. Higher octane fuel burns more slowly and resists premature ignition, which helps eliminate knocking sounds almost immediately. Japanese drivers commonly use this method when they start hearing mild pinging, especially in older engines. Studies in automotive testing show that higher octane fuel can reduce detonation by up to 70% in engines experiencing mild knock. The idea isn't necessarily to use premium fuel forever, but to stabilize the combustion process while you address the underlying cause. Many drivers report that after 2 or 3 tanks, the knocking noise disappears completely. Method 2. Clean carbon deposits using water mist. A surprisingly effective Japanese technique to stop engine knocking involves removing carbon buildup inside the combustion chamber. Over time, carbon deposits accumulate on pistons and valves that increase compression and cause fuel to ignite prematurely. Japanese mechanics sometimes use a simple water mist cleaning method to break down these deposits. With the engine running and warmed up, a fine mist of water is slowly introduced into the intake. The sudden temperature change causes carbon deposits to crack and loosen, allowing them to burn off and exit through the exhaust. This technique has been used in engine workshops for decades and is known to reduce knocking and restore lost engine performance. Japanese fleet mechanics report noticeable improvements in engines suffering from carbon-related detonation. Of course, the key is using a fine mist, not pouring water directly, which could damage the engine. When done correctly, this trick can dramatically quiet an engine that's suffering from carbon buildup. Method 3. Clean the MAF airflow sensor. Another Japanese maintenance secret involves cleaning the MAF airflow sensor. This tiny sensor measures how much air is entering the engine, so the computer can deliver the correct amount of fuel. When it becomes dirty, it can send incorrect readings, causing the engine to run too lean, which significantly increases the chances of knocking. Many Japanese mechanics recommend cleaning this sensor every 20,000 to 30,000 miles to maintain proper air-fuel balance. The process is surprisingly simple and only requires a special MAF sensor cleaner spray. Once the sensor is clean, the engine computer can again calculate the correct fuel mixture. A properly balanced mixture reduces combustion temperatures and eliminates detonation. Many drivers notice smoother acceleration and improved fuel economy immediately after performing this simple maintenance step. Method 4. Replace old spark plugs. Spark plugs play a critical role in combustion timing, and worn plugs are a major cause of engine knocking. Automotive maintenance data shows that over 30% of engines with knocking problems are running worn or overdue spark plugs. Over time, spark plugs develop larger gaps or carbon buildup, which can cause inconsistent ignition timing. Japanese maintenance schedules emphasize replacing spark plugs before they fail, rather than waiting for performance problems to appear. When plugs become worn, the combustion process becomes unstable, which leads to misfires or knocking. Installing fresh spark plugs restores proper ignition timing and ensures that the air-fuel mixture ignites exactly when it should. Many engines that suffer from knocking experience immediate improvement after a simple spark plug replacement. Japanese taxi fleets often replace plugs earlier than recommended because they know consistent ignition helps engines last hundreds of thousands of miles. Method 5. Use fuel system. Cleaner fuel injectors that become clogged or dirty can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, which often leads to engine knock. Japanese drivers frequently use fuel system cleaners to maintain injector performance and keep combustion smooth. These cleaners contain detergents that break down carbon deposits inside injectors and intake valves. According to automotive testing, certain fuel additives can restore up to 90% of lost injector flow in heavily clogged systems. When injectors spray fuel evenly again, combustion becomes smoother and more controlled. This reduces hot spots inside the cylinder that can trigger knocking. Japanese drivers often add a fuel cleaner every 5,000 to 10,000 miles as preventative maintenance. It is a simple and inexpensive habit that helps engines run quietly and efficiently. Method 6. Check and clean the EGR valve. The EGR valve, or exhaust gas recirculation valve, plays an important role in preventing engine knocking. It works by sending a small amount of exhaust gas back into the engine to lower combustion temperatures. When this valve becomes clogged with carbon, combustion temperatures rise dramatically, which increases the likelihood of knocking. Japanese mechanics often inspect and clean the EGR valve as part of routine maintenance. Cleaning it restores proper exhaust gas flow and stabilizes combustion temperatures. In many cases, engines suffering from persistent knocking become completely quiet once the EGR system is functioning properly. This is one of the most overlooked causes of engine knock, yet it is surprisingly easy to fix at home. Method 7. Drive the car hard. Occasionally. One interesting Japanese philosophy is that engines actually benefit from occasional high RPM driving. When a car is driven gently all the time, carbon deposits build up inside the engine more quickly. Japanese drivers sometimes take their cars on highway drives and accelerate harder than usual to help burn off these deposits. Higher engine temperatures during spirited driving can remove carbon buildup from pistons and valves. Automotive engineers sometimes call this an Italian tune-up, and it is surprisingly effective for engines suffering from light knocking caused by deposits. Of course, this should only be done when the engine is fully warmed up and properly maintained. When done occasionally, it helps keep combustion chambers cleaner and prevents knocking problems in the long run. By using these techniques, you may be able to silence engine knocking without spending thousands of dollars on repairs. A few small maintenance steps can restore smooth combustion, improve fuel efficiency, and dramatically extend the life of your engine. And if you want to learn more powerful car maintenance secrets that most mechanics never tell drivers, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video.